Are you satisfied with your current broker? This is a question that every trader must ask themselves periodically. You see, in the world of trading, the broker you choose can make or break your success. They are your gateway to the markets, your partner in trading, and the service they provide can have a significant impact on your bottom line. So, it's crucial to ensure that your broker is reliable and that their service meets your needs. Today, we're going to talk about the top 10 telltale signs that it might be time for you to get a new broker. These are red flags that shouldn't be ignored, indicating that your broker may not be providing the level of service you deserve. From issues with contacting support to high spreads or commissions, these signs might be telling you it's time for a change. So, if you're a trader on the lookout for a more reliable broker, or if you've been having doubts about your current one, this video could be just what you need. Stay tuned as we delve into these signs that may indicate you're in need of a new broker. Sign number 1, difficulty contacting support. In the fast-paced world of trading, having responsive and accessible customer support is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. Imagine being in the middle of a trade only to encounter a technical glitch, or having a pressing question about a transaction. In such scenarios, immediate assistance can make a world of difference. However, if you find yourself constantly on hold, or waiting days for an email response, that's a glaring red flag. Support should be there to facilitate your trading experience, not hinder it. Delays or difficulties in reaching out to the support team could indicate a lack of organization, or even a disregard for customer concerns. Remember, a broker's support team should be there when you need them. If not, it might be time to reconsider. Sign number 2, unhelpful customer service. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a trading session and you encounter an issue with your platform. You contact customer service, expecting swift and effective solutions. Instead, you're met with vague responses, lack of knowledge, or worse, indifference. This, my friends, is a telltale sign of unhelpful customer service. A broker's customer service team should be a beacon of support, guiding you through your trading journey's stormy seas. They should be knowledgeable, efficient, and most importantly, eager to help. Unhelpful customer service can lead to unnecessary stress, delayed solutions, and even loss of potential profits. You deserve a broker who values your time and investment, a broker who ensures their customer service team is equipped to solve your problems efficiently. So, if you find yourself wrestling more with your broker's customer service than actual trading, it might be time to rethink your choice. Remember, a broker's customer service should be there to assist you, not to add to your problems. Sign number 3, reduced leverage. Leverage, in the world of trading, is like a double-edged sword. It can magnify your profits, but it can also amplify your losses. It's a powerful tool that allows traders to open positions much larger than the initial investment. But here's the catch. If your broker suddenly reduces the leverage, it could be a telltale sign of some underlying issues. Maybe they're facing liquidity problems, or they're trying to limit their risk exposure. Whatever the reason, a sudden reduction in leverage can affect your trading strategy, especially if you're a trader who relies heavily on leverage. It can limit your ability to open large positions and ultimately your potential profits. So if you notice your broker reducing leverage without a clear and sound reason, it's time to raise an eyebrow. Leverage is a tool that should be used wisely, but sudden changes can be a cause for concern. Sign number 4, high spreads or commissions. Now let's delve into the world of spreads and commissions. You see, these are integral to your trading activity. They're like the toll you pay on the highway of the trading world. But what if the toll is too high? What if the broker is charging you exorbitantly, leaving you with a thin slice of your hard-earned profits? In the trading world, spreads and commissions are inevitable. They're how brokers make their living. But a good broker knows the importance of offering competitive rates. They understand that their success is intertwined with yours. If the spreads or commissions are unusually high, it could be a sign that the broker is more interested in their profit than in your trading success. So keep an eye on those spreads and commissions. They might seem insignificant, but they can make a huge difference in your profitability in the long run. Don't let them eat away at your profits. Remember, a broker should offer competitive rates, not drain your profits with high spreads or commissions. Sign number 5, slow servers. Now, let's delve into the importance of speed in trading. Time is the essence of trading, especially for strategies that demand quick execution. Imagine you're a scalper or a day trader, where every second counts. You're aiming for rapid entries and exits in the market, but then you're plagued with a slow server. Your orders lag, your trades get delayed, and suddenly you're missing out on key opportunities. This isn't just frustrating, it's a direct impediment to your trading performance. A slow server can mean the difference between capitalizing on a profitable trade and watching it slip through your fingers. It's like trying to win a race with a sluggish car. It just doesn't work. So, if your broker's server speed is more tortoise than hare, it might be time to reconsider your options. In the world of trading, speed is key. Slow servers can be a significant drawback. Sign number 6, deposit and withdrawal fees. Now, fees are a reality in virtually every financial transaction. But when it comes to trading, these charges can significantly impact your overall profitability. This is especially true if you're dealing with a broker who seems to have a fee for every little thing. Deposit fees, withdrawal fees, inactivity fees, the list goes on. But here's the catch. While some fees are justifiable, excessive charges could be a red flag. It could indicate a broker more interested in lining their own pockets than helping you grow your investment. Remember, a good broker understands that your success is their success. They should be transparent about their fees, keeping them reasonable and competitive. Excessive deposit and withdrawal fees don't just eat into your profits, they could be a telltale sign that you need to find a better broker. Your broker should be helping you make money, not taking it away with excessive fees. Sign number 7, forced bonuses. Now, bonuses in trading can be a good thing. They can provide you with that extra capital to leverage your trades, giving you the potential for greater profits. They're like a thank you note from your broker for choosing their platform. But here's where it gets tricky. Forced bonuses. Forced bonuses are like a gift you didn't ask for, and they come with strings attached. While they might seem like a generous offer at first, they often have hidden conditions that tie down your funds. Imagine you want to withdraw your money, only to find out you can't because you haven't met the trading requirements tied to your bonus. This can be a clear indication of a broker trying to control your funds, and it's a definite red flag. Bonuses should be a benefit, enhancing your trading experience, not a burden that restricts your freedom. So remember, if your broker is forcing bonuses on you, it might be time to consider other options. Bonuses should be a benefit, not a burden. Sign number 8, odd chart behavior. For any trader, the lifeline to success lies in accurate and reliable charting. Charts are your roadmap, guiding you through the ever-fluctuating market terrain. They help you understand market trends, identify trading opportunities, and make informed decisions. However, if you start noticing odd behavior in these charts, it's time to raise an eyebrow. This odd behavior could be anything from inconsistent price movements to sudden spikes and drops that don't reflect the overall market trend. This could suggest two things. Either there is a manipulation at play, or there are technical issues with your broker's platform. In both cases, it's a red flag that you can't afford to ignore. Remember, these charts are not just graphs. They are the foundation on which your trading decisions rest. Any inconsistency, however minute, can lead to significant losses. Trustworthy charting is crucial for successful trading. Odd behavior should not be ignored. Sign number 9, requests for additional deposits. Now this is a big one. Financial management is a cornerstone of successful trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newbie just dipping your toes in the financial waters, maintaining control over your investments is paramount. But what if your broker starts asking for more deposits unexpectedly? This could be a sign that they're not respecting your financial boundaries. It could indicate that they're more interested in their profits than your financial security. Remember, a good broker is a partner, not a pusher. They should be providing you with tools and advice to make informed decisions, not pressuring you to put in more money than you're comfortable with or can afford. This is a red flag that shouldn't be ignored. If your broker is frequently asking for more deposits without a clear reason, it might be time to reconsider your relationship. Your broker should respect your financial decisions, not pressure you into depositing more. Sign number 10, if you're experiencing multiple of these signs. As we round off our discussion, let's take a moment to review. We've delved into 10 key indicators that could signify the need for a change in your broker. Difficulty contacting support, unhelpful customer service, reduced leverage, high spreads or commissions, slow servers, deposit and withdrawal fees, forced bonuses, odd chart behavior, and requests for additional deposits. Now, if you find that you're ticking off more than a few of these boxes, it might be a clear sign that it's time for a change. Remember, these aren't just minor inconveniences. They could be fundamental roadblocks to your trading success. Your broker should be more than just an intermediary. It should be a tool, a partner in your trading journey. It should aid you, not hinder you. If your current broker is more of a stumbling block than a stepping stone, it might be time to reconsider. Remember, your broker should be a tool to help you succeed in trading. If you're in need of a reliable Forex broker, see the link in the description box below.